Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today we are going to be, as you know from the title, unboxing our Walmart subscription boxes. These boxes are I think $7 a month. They used to be $5, now they're $7, and I love them. They're great. They send them 4 times a year. I am signed up to get 2. You can get, there's all kinds of different versions of whatever the products are in the box. So you get full-size things, you get sample things, sometimes there are coupons. It's just fun. Even if I pause my Ipsy subscription for a while, I keep my Walmart one just because it's something small and fun and cheap. And I've discovered a lot of things that I really like in these boxes. So, open up, looks like that. So we have, they have been throwing these liquid IVs in a lot. So if you're wanting to try these, I bet you'll get one of these in your box. And then we have a Sinful Colors nail polish. It's super pretty and sparkly. It's in the shade Ruby Glisten. Super pretty. And then we have a Arm & Hammer Complete Care Whole Mouth Protection travel size toothpaste. If the focusing is not what it's supposed to be, it's because I got a new phone and I'm learning. And then we got a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I've gone through a couple of these just small ones that I've gotten in these boxes. It's a nice cleanser. It takes off my makeup just fine. Then we have a Bare Republic Mineral Sunscreen Lotion, Sheer Zinc Oxide for Face, Matte Finish, Broad Spectrum SPF, Water Resistant for 40 minutes. So we'll give that a go. We'll see if it leaves a white cast. So far the only one that I've tried that doesn't leave a white cast is from Tula. But that's a little bit pricey. And then the last thing in this one, we have a sample of the Suave Pink Up the Volume Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner for workable hair with volume. So these are nice just to travel with, or if you're running out, you can have these on hand and grab you some shampoo. That one was version 15, and then the other box I have is version 8. I wasn't going to do a video on it, but I got a new Billie Razor, and so we can unbox that on here. It's not enough for an entire video, but I will try to post or put up the value of the box if I can, if I feel like mathing whenever I edit this video. So that's what the next one is like. We have a Dickinson's Fragrance-Free Original Witch Hazel Pore Perfecting Toner. I like toners, so this will come in handy, and it's a good size. It's 3.3 fluid ounces. And I also appreciate that most of the time there's something that could potentially spill, they put it in a zip top baggie. And then we have a Bic Soleil Escape 3-blade razor. These are good to just have on hand, like if you have someone, a house guest or whatever, and they forgot a razor, you have it. If you travel, you can bring this and then just toss it. Another liquid IV. I'm telling you, they throw these in all the time. And this is just a sample of the Extra Strength Pain Relief Sagely Naturals Instant Cooling with 10% menthol. So, temporarily relieves minor aches and pains of muscles and joints associated with strains, bruises, simple backache, arthritis, and sprains. I may have Greg try that out. His elbow has really been bothering him. And then we got another thing of the Cetaphil Skin Cleanser and another sample of the Suave shampoo and conditioner. So that's it for those boxes. That nail polish would be super cute on my toes. Even though I wear press-on nails, a lot of the time I still paint my nails too. I like it all. So put this away, and then we will unbox right quick that Billie Razor. I don't know if they still have this design. They said it was limited edition. So I've been using Billie Razors for quite a while. None of this is sponsored. They don't know who I am. I'm just making the video. So the razor handle that I have now is multicolored. It's like pink and purple and maybe peach or something. It's really cute. But this one, I'm pretty sure all of their packaging is super recyclable too. It's sparkly. Can you guys tell how sparkly it is? Ain't it cute? So this came with 2 razor blades, and then this is a little holder. I haven't put the one up in the shower for the one I have now. This is just a little holder. It's magnetized, and so when you stick it on your shower wall, the razor just holds on to that. Oh, and they even send backup sticky stuff. And then I also got the travel cover for it. And then I have not ever tried their shave cream before, and they had Zodiac ones, so I got the Taurus one, even though I'm not probably going to like the scent of it at all. My sister might. It's lavender and sandalwood. It's sealed, so I may just go ahead and give this to her because I don't care for lavender or sandalwood, but here we are. So yeah, that is it for this random unboxing of the Walmart beauty subscription box, and also my Billie Razor that I just got in the mail. So I don't remember how long I've been using Billie Razor, but it's been for quite a while. I can leave like a referral to sign up for the Billie Razor. I don't think Walmart has a referral system anymore, but I'm pretty sure Billie does. So anyone who subscribes to these things can get them. It's nothing special to me. Like I said, they don't know who I am or that I'm making these videos. So I will leave that in the description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.